Good day, everyone. I'm Christina Cassandra Balisacan, and I am here to share with everyone my own opinion in failure. Failure is something constant in this world. Failure is an event where we do something that needs to be done but fail to accomplish it no matter the aspect. Just to share with you, years ago, I did a presentation that requires public speaking. It requires continuous practice, which I honestly didn't work hard for. On the day of the presentation, I thought my heart would jump out of me because of nervousness. My classmates did so well with their presentation, which pressured me. When it was my turn to present, I couldn't remember it all. I had a mental block, so I failed. I drowned myself from the fact that I humiliated myself. I regretted the little preparation I did, but most of all, I hated failure. I was so focused on the fact that I failed to the point that I became scared of standing in front of a lot of people. I got scared thinking I might fail again. I was so focused on being scared that I forgot how to improve as I saw how high my classmates have achieved already. While here I am, still scared, so I reflected. I didn't take failure as something to hate for. From that day on, I learned that failure is an event where we can get a determination to improve. When we fail, we always think bad of ourselves. I guess yes, for the time being, but after some time, we reflect from that failure to improve, which makes the failure important for me. I couldn't imagine not failing once in my life. If I hadn't failed, I wouldn't learn to try more to achieve this kind of confidence I have right now. If I hadn't failed, I wouldn't appreciate the little improvements I achieved. Failure humbles us and pushes us to be better. I appreciated failure. Reflecting from where I am right now, I realized that failing is part of the journey. You don't have to dwell too much on failure you did. Instead, focus yourself in improving in order to avoid that failure again. That I don't want to feel that same feeling again. So I have to really work hard to not feel it. But feel the confidence, the strength, and the determination. Here I am, they say public speaking is my forte as they see my skills. Which is funny because before, I was even close to crying every time I stand in front of a lot of people. Thank you.